Are you looking for the drone? In this video we will look at some of the drone on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Potensic C0 Atom 2 Drone. Feel the thrill of capturing life from a breathtaking perspective with the Potensic Atom 2 camera drone. Every moment transforms into a cinematic memory as vibrant landscapes and unforgettable journeys come alive through ultra-clear visuals. Whether it's golden sunsets, city lights, or spontaneous adventures, this sleek flying companion turns ordinary scenes into stunning storytelling. Seamless control builds confidence instantly, letting you explore the sky without hesitation while staying connected over long distances. Intelligent tracking follows your movement effortlessly, making every frame feel professionally crafted without extra effort. Even after dark, your creativity doesn't pause. Sharp night captures preserve emotion, mood, and detail in every shot. Designed for portability, it slips easily into your routine, ready whenever inspiration strikes. Smooth motion effects, dynamic perspectives, and quick sharing options help you express your story instantly on social platforms. This isn't just a gadget, it's a gateway to freedom, creativity, and unforgettable aerial experiences that elevate every memory beyond imagination. Number 2. AE60 Ultra GPS Drone. The AE60 Ultra GPS drone is a high-performance unmanned aerial vehicle designed for professional aerial photography and advanced flight experiences. It features an 8K HD camera with a 3-axis mechanical gimbal for stable and high-quality imaging, a powerful brushless motor system, and intelligent laser obstacle avoidance for enhanced safety. With a 7.2-inch touchscreen remote control running an Android system, it offers intuitive control and a long transmission range of up to 12 kilometers. The drone also includes advanced features such as GPS intelligent return, intelligent tracking, surround flight, and an 800G capacity airdrop device. AE60 Ultra GPS drone and its remote control, highlighting key features like 8K HD, 3-axis gimbal, 7.2-inch touchscreen, GPS, 12 km RC, 9,800 mAh battery, 40-minute flight, and 800G airdrop capability. Number 3. Potensic C0 Mini Drone. Experience a new way to see the world with the Potensic Atom Mini Drone, designed for those who crave freedom, creativity, and unforgettable moments. Every flight brings a sense of excitement as you rise above everyday views and discover beauty from a completely different angle. Whether exploring nature, capturing travel memories, or creating content, each scene feels more alive and meaningful. Smooth aerial movement creates a cinematic feeling that instantly makes your videos look more professional and engaging. Even in challenging weather, the visuals remain steady, allowing you to focus on enjoying the moment instead of worrying about control. Long-distance connection builds confidence, giving you the power to explore wider areas without losing touch. Extended flying time keeps your adventure going longer, so you never feel rushed while capturing important memories. The lightweight structure makes it easy to carry anywhere, turning spontaneous trips into creative opportunities. Intelligent tracking follows your motion naturally, helping you record personal stories without effort. Every capture feels emotional, preserving real moments exactly as you experience them. Quick creative modes inspire unique storytelling, making your content stand out on social platforms. Safe return technology adds peace of mind, ensuring your device always comes back when needed. This is more than just a flying device. It becomes part of your lifestyle, helping you express yourself, relive memories, and share your world in a way that feels authentic, powerful, and truly unforgettable.